Worst. Bitch, you better have my money.
Hi everyone, this is Mike. Before starting these videos, I hope you guys can click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel. We will update the latest and new sneakers. This amazing design, two colorways which gonna release in the 17th in this month. Okay, so let's start with these desert colorways. Apparently you can see the desert colorways is got a orange mixed pink colorways, swoosh logo, and also this kind of blue small size tag here, and we got the upper in the very mesh materials and the side suede materials. Also, the whole colorways is kind of a desert. It's called a desert colorways. So I think it's a very smart colorways for the winter season. So we can also check the off-white print, font print inside another side of the shoes. You can see the print is very stable, and the colorways is as correct as the retail ones. Also important, interesting part in the heel. Pull up this part and you can see some code number inside. And also these lasers, same desert colorways, and this blue zip tie, usual off-white style. The right pair is actually the same, and inside shoes, let's check you check the insole, you'll see that off-white logo and the size tag here. Comes to the black colorways, you can see this black colorways. It's quite simple colorways compared to the another desert one. We see the tag, orange tag here, classical off-white colorways tag, and the white swoosh logo, and you can see the stitchings run up and down on the swoosh logo. The quality, the materials of the swoosh logo is quite shiny, reflective the light, and sand transparent upper materials and the suede materials surrounded the shoes. Same interesting part of the shoes, you pull up this part in the heel, you can see the code number inside. So these two pairs of shoes will release in this, and if you guys got interested in these two pairs, please add us on WeChat or place order on our website. We will give you the coupon code if you tell us you're from the YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you got any more questions, please comment below. We will get back to you very soon. Thank you.